Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can recover your hacked Fortnite account. So just Google search for contact Epic Games and open up this first link that pops up here. Now you want to create a dummy account. I've already logged into a dummy account here, and we will just search the help center for hacked, and you will see this: my Epic account was compromised and I cannot access it. Or we can choose my Epic account was compromised but I can still access it. I still can access it. I'll choose I cannot access it for this tutorial, and you can read all the steps that you can take here depending on the various hacking methods that people have used, but what I suggest doing is scrolling down until you see the option here, contact us. Just click on it, and here the platform is optional, but choose the platform for which you play Fortnite on, or which you play Fortnite on. Accounts, this is going to be the topic. The contact reason is going to be Epic account, and here you will explain that you cannot access your Fortnite account anymore because it has been compromised. And you can also select a file here to showcase that it is in fact your account that you are speaking about in the previous section. And afterwards we want to click on submit an email request, or you can start a live chat, but I suggest submitting an email request because they seem to be more helpful. So submit an email request, and if Epic Games requires any further information from you, they will contact you through email and they will help you recover your compromised or hacked Fortnite account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.